In India, tea is often served as a symbol of hospitality, and it is a go to choice for every occasion. It is offered to guests as a welcoming gesture. Likewise, I welcome you all to my channel with a cup of tea. My name is Akshaya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am starting my journey on YouTube since I am on a path to better myself. If you ask me how, I have been an introvert and just stuck to my comfort zone for years. And now I would love to explore myself and take you on a journey with me and help make a difference in your lives as well. This is not a cooking platform for me, but I choose to take you through my day or my week. I want to document snippets of my life and experience and create a beautiful memory here. I will be sharing what I do in a day or when I go out with my friends and family, when I travel, what I do, what I experience with you all. There is a small story behind why I started making this tea. A year back, when I fell sick with cough and cold, I just wanted to have ginger tea all the time. But only from this famous chai point near my place. My mom, just like all moms, advised me not to spend unnecessarily on buying tea from outside every day. I love drinking ginger tea and soft tea from this place, but of course, moms are right. I realized I was spending a lot here and I decided to make it myself. I added all the ingredients as I've shown in this video and it turned out to be equally good. Just after 2 days of drinking this, I recovered from a very bad cough and cold. And this is the best platform to share my way of making tea with all of you. And trust me, you are going to feel much better after drinking this. I have not figured out my niche yet, but I would definitely figure it out and you all will know. However, I want to share about my life and spread some beautiful smiles on your face, add entertainment in your life and mine as well. Do try making this tea and let me know if you like it in the comment section below. I welcome all of you to my channel once again. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.